But for now, oh, so it's very small. So this is where we are. This is the building where the store is located. So it's just like a warehouse or something, but the place is nice, and hopefully the drone is here. So we're here, and this is what they sell here. I'm sad. I'm happy. I'm sad. What's that mo? Your name? And mine. I think it's a quarantine facility. Look at that. Yeah. Boss amo. Day 2 in picking up the drone. Still can't fly the drone because we still need to wait until next week for the fly more kit, and also the fly more kit where the batteries and the chargers are, and the bag, and also the DJI Care refresh, because I ordered the DJI Care refresh as well. If I open my drone now, then I need to use the DJI Care refresh right away or within 2 days. So this is what I use here for. Okay. So now for the video, I'm just using 2.7K, and the EV compensation. This is under. I forgot the. Oh, thank you. The exposure is I placed it to 0, so this should be okay. And now I'm really trying to try my best to use this media mod right now, because sometimes I have a few failed recordings already. Few failed recordings where I thought the audio was okay, but actually it didn't record any. So yes. So again, very nice day here in Hong Kong. Quite warm and sunny. So quite it's just that it's look at that nice view, huh? During the free time, let's try to unbox our drone, the Mavic. No, why do I always say Mavic? Unbox the Mini 3. It's quite huge, so oh thank God. Let's go. Nice car. Yeah, and yeah, this is the Twin Peak, the start or the end if you want, but I love finishing here because of the view. So the sun has already set, or did it? Chum Hong Kong on our left side. That's where we're going. Yeah, this building over here. So I guess it's the best time to unbox. Okay everyone, here we are again, and this is where we are going to unbox our, oh, this is my bag by the way, my tennis bag, but we're going to unbox, these are the cards that I bought. We already have a lot of these cards. Yeah, Pro Plus, because the write and the read is quite high, so that's why we're getting these. 2 for the drone and 1 for the remote. So Mantis pod, now I'm not gonna use that, but I'm gonna use just this one. So yeah, that's it. This is the DJI Mini 3 Pro with RC, DJI RC. The Pro, RC Pro is different. So yeah, but anyway, we don't have a table, so we're just gonna unbox it like this. And oh, but before we continue, this is our view here. So it's almost dark, so we need to start unboxing this one. There you go. So this is a 249 gram drone, and yes. So I'm still waiting for the Fly More combo for this drone, so I'm expecting to get it next week. But for now, oh, so this is just like a magnet. This is first. So what is this? So we get the drone right away. So this, yeah, it's quite small. And yeah, so it's very small. look at the size of this drone. This is my phone, and this is, yeah, so almost the same height, but this is a lot smaller than the drone that I am using. I have the Mavic 2 Pro, and I've been looking for a small drone to use. So here's the sensor of this drone, front sensor and down sensor and the back sensor. So there's another way of opening this drone. It's the other way around now. So yeah, quite beautiful. And oh no, I don't know what I did. Yeah, what is this? So we have to remove before use. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep that there first. So the good thing about this drone is the feature that this has is it goes vertical, so which is really cool for the TikTokers, but I don't do TikTok, so let's see if I can use that feature. Again, take it off, and here's the DJI remote control. Okay, before we let's check what these are. Menu, USB-C cable. Well, we're not gonna get that yet. Wow, and this is my first time seeing this remote, and a thread here for this is for the, what do you call this one, for the straps, hose, micro SD, USB-C. This is for charging, and the here, what is this? This is for the remote over here. So for sure I'm gonna buy something a longer joystick for this one, just like my Pro, Mavic 2 Pro. Yeah, this is the DJI RC. There's no more antenna that we can flip because the antennas are already here. So watch out for my next video where we fly this drone. Probably next week. Expect the video next week, because this one is a very good device and I'm so excited to use it. And it's so light. So yeah, guys, this is it for our unboxing, and guys, thank you so much for watching.